Come on, Posh. Go. 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 Good girl. Good girl, Posh. Go. Come on. Don't bark at her, Torbs. Come on, Posh. Come on, Posh. No, Pasha, Pasha, come on. Torben, don't fall in. I don't want you to fall in. Torben, hi, cutie. Come here. Come on, look. Come on. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Come on. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Come on, Posh. Come on, Torbs. Come on, Pasha. Show him how it's done. Come on, Pash. Come on. Girl, you're getting the hang of it. Come on, Pash. Come on. Come on, pup. Digging in the water? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do? Okay, that's fine. Come on, Pasha. Pasha, come. I have to take my glasses off. That's why the world. Come on, Torbs! Come on, Torbs! Quick! Hurry! Come on! Come on! Come on, Pashy! Pasha, come on. You're very hot. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come here, Torben. Come in the pool. Come here, Torbs. Look. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie pie. Come on. Nope. Come on. Good job, Torben. Yay! Good job. I put him in, but he got out on his own. He knew where to go, so that's good. Good job, good boy. Look at your little tail when you're wet. Get it. Get it, Torbs. Uh-oh. You're howling at those sirens? And you poo-poo. Good boy. I got a new pool float, but we're gonna try it next, okay? We're gonna try the other pool float next. What do you think? You wanna try the new one? This one you'll get a little wet. You like your new pool float? Come on. Come on. Good job, good boy. Good job. Good job, good boy. Look. Look, good boy. Good job! Good job! You got on the new float! Good job! Good job, little guy. Look, you can get a little wet. You can dig around in the water. You like digging in the water, I know. I know. You're okay. You're okay. She can have one. Hold on. Okay, Pash. You gotta come in though for one. Come on. Good enough. What? What, little guy? You're okay. You're getting just a little wet. I don't think he likes this float as much as the other one. Good job, good boy!